Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. Now there, search for NameCheap.com and press enter on your keyboards. Once you do that, you will end up in the official web page of NameCheap, which look like this. Now in order to get logged into your account, mouse over to the sign in button at the top left of your screen. And once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Now you have to simply type in the username and the password of your account, and then type in your password. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password link and follow all the on-screen prompts till the end in order to recover your password. And once you're done with typing in your username and password correctly, tap on sign in button to get logged into your account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your NameCheap account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.